Hello everyone, we are Group 7 and this is our pre-defense practical research 2. Let's first identify what's our background of our study. For impact of being a student leader, a seminar workshop is suggested to improve leadership and critical thinking skills. Higher education is crucial for financial development, economic growth, and environmental science. Using path analytic procedures to address shortcoming in a previous research, this study examines relationship between students' perceptions of leadership abilities over a 4-year period and institutional expenditure patterns at over 300 colleges. For academic performance, academic overall performance is taken into consideration and vital success for college students throughout the instructional manners with the university. Moreover, the success of the overall performance influenced the student's contemporary and destiny life. Let's move on for our statement of the problem. This study aims to address the impact of being student leader to the academic performance of Golden Faith Academy Senior High School. First, what is the demographic profile of senior high school students of Golden Faith Academy, like strand, gender, and grade level? Second, what is the impact of being student leader to the academic performance of GFA senior high school students? Third, why is it important to study the effect of being student leader to the academic performance of the students?
Now let's proceed to the significance of the study. This study can give some knowledge and benefit by this following. To the students, this study will help them to gain knowledge about being a student leader and the impact of being a student leader to the academic performance. To the teachers, this study will guide the teachers to know what are the impact of being a student leader to the performance of the students. To the students, like teachers, this study will guide the parents to know what are the impact of being a student leader to the performance of the students. Especially to the future researchers, this study can guide future leaders about the impact of being a student leader to the academic performance. It conducts information that will give them answer regarding the topic. Now let's proceed to scope and the limitation. This study covers the impact of being a student leader to the academic performance among GFA SHS students. The researchers limited the study to the students that enrolled in Golden Fate Academy Senior High School year 2023 to 2024. Now let's proceed to the last part of Chapter 1 Introduction, which is operational definition of terms. The following terms were hereby defined for the purpose of improving understanding and comprehension with regard to the research. Academic performance. In this study, the academic performance of GFA SHS students will be used to identify the impact of being a student leader. Education. This term or word is used in the study because the variable we have is students. Leader. Students from GFA Senior High School who is a leader in a certain subject. Parents. This is the student's guardian that somehow has to do with this study. Teacher. They can be used to help the study to create a solution or an answer to our problem.
Now, we are going to talk about the chapter 2 with of related literature. This chapter includes the reliable results of previous research studies that are related to our research variable, which is the impact of being a student leader to the academic performance. Also, this chapter will conduct a research gap to gain a deeper conceptual understanding of our research study. This study examines the impact of student needs on academic performance, finding that truancy significantly affects leadership performance and can lead to dropping out. Factors like parental education, access to resources, and teacher also significantly influence academic performance. Students with positive exposure to these factors perform better. From Open Access Library Journal, Volume 8, 2021. This study looked at how professor leadership styles affected trust, class participation, and academic achievement among students.
The study gathered academic results and assessed the effects of student leadership on academics. Hyder and 2019. The impact of student leadership experience on academic performance has been under study with no comprehensive analysis of the short and long-term effects. Using a unique dataset, this study finds that a being leader improves academic performance in both short and long term. For our research gap, some of the previous literature has a similar research design to our study. It has two variables. Most of them are associational research design correlational. Meanwhile, the locations and units of analysis by the researchers for their study turn out to be different. Typically, our research study aims to know the impact of being a student leader on the academic performance of GFA students in Taytay Rizal.
Now let's proceed in Chapter 4 Methodology. This chapter helps in analytically addressing the goals, objectives, and questions of our research study. This chapter provides a study's research design, variables, research instrument, units of analysis, sampling, data gathering, and data analysis. In our research design, to support our research question, can being a student leader affect the academic performance of GFA senior high school students? Researchers refer to the study conducted by Fuentes et al. 2020. According to Fuentes et al. 2020, they are also investigating what are the effects of being a student leader to academic performance, exploring both positive and negative aspects. Our variable, on the other hand, academic performance refers to how well a student performs in classroom or school-related activities. Dependent variable is the academic performance of the GFA senior high school students. Academic performance refers to the student general weighted average and is measured at the ratio level. Because of this measurement and comparison, age, another moderating variable, is also measured at the ratio level because it provides numerical data for analysis.
The researchers use a survey questionnaire as a tool. A survey questionnaire is a simple way to collect the data that is required from the chosen respondents. The researchers use an adverbs of frequency type of survey. There are four different possible answers to the survey question: always, usually, rarely, and never. The survey question was based on the problem statement. The main purpose of making the questionnaire is to keep the researchers focused on the questions to be asked. The data collected from this study comprised 881 male and 1,406 female participants of GFA senior high school students. In related studies, probability sampling is used frequently. The stratified random sampling technique was applied. This technique allowed all respondents to have an equal chance of responding to the questionnaires, regardless of their location. An online questionnaire was used to collect information from respondents. A total of 2,287 participants were included in this study. Additionally, a stratified sample is a suitable choice as it includes individuals from all categories. From the data collected through secondary sources, they formulated a research problem. Correlation analysis is used to determine whether the variables have correlation or not, which was collected from the survey questionnaire. Based on the research problem, they formulated a survey question according to the recommendation of one of the validators and validated the survey questionnaire. We considered using the parametric statistics Pearson-R correlation as our statistical treatment to get a calculation for the relationship between variables. Therefore, distribution assumptions were associated with it. Specifically, the Pearson model assumed a linear relationship between x and y. A bivariate normal distribution and stratified random sampling was applied to the variables. The Shapiro-Wilks test and Levine's test used in the variables were normally distributed and homoscedastic, which means in this study the dataset are parametric. Almost all the results are considered positive, and since this is correlational study.
Let's proceed to chapter 5, which is the discussion. The analysis result of the study on the relationship between impact of being a leader and academic performance among GFA senior high school students shows that being a student leader can have various impact on academic performance based on grade level. The result of this study is that the student's life satisfaction and academic performance has a correlation of 7.19. This answers the question, what is the impact of being a student leader to the academic performance of GFA SHS students? One highest is around 0.00761, which means that there is non-significant, very small chance of the two variables in our study. The mean value for this indicator is R is equals to 0.007609, meaning that the student's life satisfaction and academic score for this study is not very strong.
Chapter 6, Conclusion and Recommendation. The study's findings show about the average of impact of being a student leader and academic performance scores. The researcher uses Pearson curve. It is used to measure the relationship between different variables in their research. We found out that other previous studies have shown correlation between the life satisfaction and academic performance in GFA students. Both male and female is influenced by factors like motivation, self-esteem, and overall being. The research findings show a strong relationship between poor leadership and students' academic success. Poor leadership affects academic performance. Showing poor leadership in education is crucial. Our recommendation: the researcher recommended conducting study on different areas in the Philippines, such as provinces who don't have access to the technology. Also, the other researchers should apply that students can work more efficiently. If leadership, opportunity are encouraged, and academic performance responsibilities are balanced. Again, we are Group 7. Thank you for listening to our study. We hope that this presentation helped you to understand our study.